Yeah, it's Friday. TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. It's only Monday here. Tonight. Today. Now. Monday. Yeah. I'm not sure what kind of car it is. I have no clue. I really don't. I've done 2 of these already. One orange with a black roof, black hood, and one orange, all orange. And I still have no idea. It's not a BMW. I don't know what it is. We'll look it up in the book and we'll see what she is. I'm clueless. I don't know. Bring you guys around here and we'll check it out, I guess. I don't know. We will have that. 170. 178. Yeah, not too bad. Looks like I adjusted the pickup shoes on it already. Yeah. Only at 170. Let's need to clean this bad boy up. It's got a little oil on it, and a little this, a little that, and we'll shine up the outside. See how she looks after she's all shined up. Yeah, let's get this Q-tip over here. It's got louvers on here, which is pretty cool, but as anyone knows, you spray anything on these louvers and it won't come off. Hard to get out of there. Novus is no exception. As you can see, there's no provisions for lights. Although there is a couple spots, one there and one there, where you could probably put something in there. I guess. I don't really know. Oh, you know what? I'm going to check these front tires because, yeah, just what I suspected, they're dry. Yeah, that is a dry front tire. And it's coming off rather easily. That one there broke off, and it's coming off as well. So I must have had this car prior to getting my O-ring fronts. Okay. O-ring fronts. go. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna hit these wipers real light. Not too bad. Okay, we're going to take off the white boots because we know it won't go around the track with them on. They look good sitting on the shelf, but it looks like Tweedledum trying to go around the track. With them on, so we'll take them off. There we go. Yes. Alright. I don't think that Krager centerline is the actual rear hubs that are supposed to go on this car. But we will run it with those on her. We'll take it over to the track and we'll take her for a ride. This is the original Tyco Pro chassis. The very first one they ever designed. Let's look her up in the book first. I want to see what the hell kind of car this is. I know it's not a Mercedes. Okay. There she is right there, number 30. Right there she is. And she does not have white boots, but that don't mean what to see when she was made. 57 Chevy, not. It is a Lamborghini Miura. It is a 70 to 71 Tyco Pro. It is not a 73. 30 is lime black with and without gray lights. Molded and painted. So it came molded in color and painted. And it came with and without gray lights. So what do we have? Do we have gray lights? No, we do not have gray lights. So we came without gray lights. And it's lime and black. Molded. I think it is molded. I could tell by looking underneath it. It is molded. It is not painted. And it comes without the gray lights. So yes, that's what we have right here, folks. Alright, put you on pause and take you over to the track. Alright, I know I said I was going to push this table back against the wall and shoot from this end here, but I'm going to do it Friday. I'm not going to do it today. Probably wait and just do it Friday. runs pretty nice. Compared to the last two Tyco Pros that I did, it runs awesome. Of course, one has a broken chassis and the other one is just seriously deranged. It will not stay on, will not go. I'm not sure what's the deal with it. Maybe it's a bunch of things. But this one here runs awesome. Oh yeah, one lap. Last lap, here it comes. I can't believe I made it all the way around. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Tyco Pro. Well, hope you guys like that. I actually did. I like that. I like driving it. It's a lot of fun to drive. A lot of fun to drive. I can't remember what it is now. Yeah, you guys are witnessing the beginning of dementia. Yeah, number 30. Lamborghini Miura. M-I-U-R-A, Miura. Miura. I think it's pronounced Miura. Lamborghini Miura. Yeah. Got some ISO grippos up there. And yeah. Might do one of those next week. Maybe. Today is Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday. Yeah. So we'll be doing live tonight. I'll be building either the 41 wheelies Corvette I have up there. Right there's the Corvette. Or the 68 Pontiac Firebird. We will build one of those tonight. Friday night, after you guys are done watching this. Tonight. Yeah, tonight. And, yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in. I do. I really appreciate it. Appreciate more if you gave me a thumbs up. Just hit the thumbs up. Yeah. Leave me a message if you so inclined to about this car. Pretty cool car. Appreciate it. And yeah. I think that's about all I needed to say. That's about all I got to say. Yeah. Hit that bell, get notified. And I will see you guys tonight. Later.